Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for in-depth product reviews. Today, we've got something special lined up for all you baseball enthusiasts out there. Get ready to dive into the world of the best navy blue baseball belt for youth boys available in the market. Introducing the TCK baseball or softball sock belt combo. This dynamic duo brings together style, comfort, and performance in one sleek package. Let's break it down. First up, let's talk about versatility. Whether you're hitting the diamond for a baseball game or stepping onto the softball field, this combo has got you covered. It includes a pair of solid-colored athletic over-the-calf socks and a perfectly coordinating elastic belt, ensuring you look sharp and feel comfortable throughout the game. Now, let's talk materials. The TCK belt is crafted from elastic, offering just the right amount of stretch for a snug yet comfortable fit. As for the socks, they're made with a blend of 95% polyester and 5% rubber, delivering the ultimate combination of comfort and durability. But here's where it gets even better. The adjustable elastic belt ensures a personalized fit for players of all sizes. Whether you're a youth player or an adult athlete, TCK has got you covered. Plus, with a wide range of sizes available, finding your perfect fit is a breeze. And let's not forget about style. The classic navy blue color adds a touch of sophistication to your game day look, while the solid pattern keeps things sleek and timeless. So, if you're ready to take your game to the next level, look no further than the TCK baseball or softball sock belt combo. With its unmatched performance and timeless style, you'll be hitting home runs in style. That wraps up today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth product critiques. Until next time, happy gaming!